The Beartooth Mountain Range is one of the most scenic parts of America. Its picturesque peaks thread through the heart of the Greater Yellowstone Ecosystem and is some of the wildest and most beautiful country on Earth. Welcome to Sacred Raven Ranch. Sacred Raven Ranch is one of the most dramatically stunning ranches in Montana. The diverse landscape includes lush creek bottom and springs, stands of conifers, groves of quaking aspen, and rolling mountain meadows. Contiguous to the Absaroka-Beartooth Wilderness, Sacred Raven Ranch is a private kingdom nestled in the heart of stunning wilderness, imbued with natural wonder. Over a mile of both the East Fork and the Middle Fork of Fiddler Creek meander through the Sacred Raven Ranch, along with multiple springs and a small spring-fed pond, providing an excellent habitat for the tremendous wildlife on the property. Consisting of approximately 1,542 deeded acres, Sacred Raven Ranch is conveniently located 15 minutes south of Fishtail, offering groceries and other necessities, and is only 45 minutes from the scenic town of Red Lodge, which offers an airport supporting private planes. Some of Montana's best skiing can be enjoyed an hour away at Red Lodge Mountain, and Montana's biggest city, Billings, provides robust commercial air service and big city amenities an hour and a half away. Anglers will love the immediate proximity to world-class fly fishing within minutes of the ranch, while Sacred Raven Ranch itself is regularly visited by a tremendous variety of wildlife, including moose, elk, black bear, white-tailed deer, eagles, wild turkey, and upland birds. The improvements on Sacred Raven Ranch provide contemporary comfort and rugged style. The 3,392 square foot main home offers amazing views of the Beartooth Mountains, a spacious yet cozy feeling interior, a charming stone patio, and is adjacent to a grass helicopter landing pad. Stroll down a flagstone path to reach a 3-season screened-in structure with a kitchen and entertaining area, perfect for morning coffee and open-air dinners. Just down the drive is the 2,970 square foot 4-bedroom guest home with an open floor plan opening to a grand back deck, perfect for entertaining and watching wildlife. Located on the babbling East Fork of Fiddler Creek, Sacred Raven Ranch also boasts an authentic, historic hand-hewn cabin with a sauna out back. Sacred Raven Ranch is one of the most desirable ranches in existence along Montana's coveted Beartooth Front, with its unparalleled views of majestic peaks and fertile valleys, nearly 3 miles of clear mountain streams and springs, abundant wildlife, and connection to thousands of acres of protected national forest. Sacred Raven Ranch is a private paradise. Come see for yourself at Sacred Raven Ranch.